Yeah, well done. Well done, brother.
Normally there's a little screw in there or something. That was a cunt.
That's a proper cunt, green one as well.
The pin. Pin's all rusty.
So enough looking at it, we now have to get it into our office and do little nitty gritty fiddle with it. Let's go to the workshop.
My triple B niggas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, put this on your forehead.
Gynecologist.
That's right. Oh no, wait, stop filming.
Is there a light on that?
You can see it, yeah, nice.
Wow.
Proper gynecologist.
What kind of, is it, whose coffee was this? Oh my god, this is the best. Okay, I'll bring you coffee and
And while Mama was getting Thomas some slimy, smelly fishy, Thomas was giving the lock a tap. He is not just tapping because he thinks he's a good tapper, but because he needs to tap out that stick, which basically got corroded and was stopping the lock from moving freely. He's huffing and puffing because it's bringing him no joy. So now he has to use some pliers, like they use in the Soviet Union, to extract teeth. But clearly Thomas has very little practice in ripping teeth out.
Lockbook. Yep.
Oh. Computer. Yep.
Got stuck. Bullet. Don't pull it if you ain't gonna use it. Bullet. Don't pull it if you ain't gonna use it.
You have to pull it harder, much harder.
Come on, you stupid roller pin. Get the fuck out.
Pick up, it's a stick up. Jump on me like I want everybody to pick up.
Not the same as if I was using a bench.
A vice, a bench. What the fuck do you think this is? A Mercedes-Benz dealership.
So where did you learn all these skills?
Myself, really.
Really? Like what? Like watching other people or watching videos or what? You used to go to the gym as well?
Yeah, I used to be a lot bigger than I am now. But women in my life stressed me out.
Really?
Yeah, and I lost a lot of weight.
Listen, forget about women.
Bitches ain't shit. We don't love them hoes, and it's like that.
Yep.
Your mom and dad locally?
My mum's in Helsham. My dad's in Wales.
Sheep shagging bastards. Oh, yeah, the sheep shagging bastards.
Are you Welsh?
Round and up and down.
escape.
Love? No, not quite.
Yes, he's definitely in love. How the fuck would you call this then?
Dawn stands rolling all over the ground in the mud.
What a horrible man.
No, he's not horrible, but he just doesn't want anyone, you know?
Yes, he just wants to shag sheep.
Anyway, time will show.
But they will still stay sheep shaggers.
It will. I'll just buy more flowers. I'll just buy more flowers.
You sneaky, sneaky pervert.
I just find it funny. She gets all stressed out. Ooh. I said, you were upset, so I bought you flowers. I'm too soppy. That's my problem.
You soft.
Yeah.
I know. This is the problem, yeah.
Because those bitches will shaft you hard, and I don't mean in a good way.
Sheep shagging bastards. Sheep shagging bastards. Oh, you're the sheep shagging bastards. Sheep shagging bastards. Oh, you're the sheep shagging bastards.
A stubborn donkey can make an ass out of you.
Exactly, my friend.
But don't change for anyone, okay?
Yeah.
Just be proud of who you are.
That's right, Tom. Keep it real, keep it safe, and show no love for
Back in a
those
minute. I'm
hoes.
just going to get some spray for this.
But anyway.
Now when I'm fucking off gin, I'm invincible. Don't love no hoe, that's my principle. Cause
Oh, look at you. You look like you've gone through a war.
bitches come, bitches go. That's why I get my nut and I be out the fucking dough.
Right, boys, another successful day at Triple B, and Thomas is having a wee-wee. So all is working as you just saw. So hopefully we'll get this gone tomorrow, because it's taking up space. Because we need to shoot a porn movie in that shed. All working now, guys. So yeah, do it one by one, Tom. So this one's working. This one's working. The door handle is now working.